Hello friends, this is Ajay from Study Next Global Education Consultant Ludhiana. As we all know that we are conducting a series of webinars wherein we invite various colleges from Canada to discuss their programs, their eligibility requirements, their open intakes, etc. So to continue that webinar session, we have with us today Madam Disha Ahuja from Coast Mountain College. The Coast Mountain College is situated in BC, Canada, and it has five campuses. And it was established in the way back in 1975, and it runs various programs starting from diplomas, bachelors, and masters. And it runs some very unique programs, and it offers a very good curriculum and practicum to its students. So now I invite Ma'am Disha Ahuja to describe and explain all about her college and its programs. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the introduction, and thank you so much for arranging this session where I'm able to provide all information about college where I'm able to question all of the answer all of the questions of the students and their queries. So I am Disha Ahuja, marketing manager representative of Coast Mountain College, and we are situated in Canada. Now we are at north. If I talk about the location, so we are in northwest side of BC. And if I talk about the distance from Vancouver to Terrace, Terrace is where our main campus is. So distance from Vancouver to Terrace comes around 1.5 hour via short flight. The distance that I'm
Okay.
telling you is via air, that is 1.5 hour. Now, yes, you rightly said that Coast Mountain College is a public institution from 1975, and formerly we were known as NWCC, that is
Hmm.
Northwest Community College. In
Yeah.
2017, the name has been changed to Coast Mountain College, and we have five regional campuses. We offer three campuses to international students, and those three campuses are Terrace, Prince Rupert, and Smithers. Terrace is our main campus, which is just 5 kilometers away from downtown. So it makes it easily accessible for the students who are living on campus, also for the students who are living off campus. Now, if I talk about the distance between these three campuses, Terrace, Prince Rupert, and Smithers, so distance between them come around 1.5 hour, which can be easily completed via drive. So this was to give an introduction about Coast Mountain College, that way we are located.
Yes, ma'am. Very true.
So, shall I talk about the entry requirements that we have for Coast Mountain College or the programs that we are offering?
Yes, ma'am. We can start with the eligibility requirements for various programs.
Sure. So, Coast Mountain College offers undergraduate, postgraduate diplomas, associate degrees, and certificates on background for trades, science, business, and arts. So there are three intakes, that is January, May, and September. Right now, we are looking forward for January 2021, and in January 2021, we are offering undergraduate, postgraduate diplomas, and associate degrees under business, arts, and science. Now, for all the programs that we offer in Coast Mountain College for January 2021, academic requirement and English test requirements are same for all the programs. Let it be an undergraduate or postgraduate diploma, let it be an associate degree, academics and English test requirements are same. Now, academic requirements are 50% overall and 50% in core subjects. And
Okay.
if I talk about IELTS, so IELTS requirement is overall six bands, no band less than 5.5. We accept 5.5 not just in one module, also in two modules. Again, it's same for all the programs. Let it be an undergraduate program, let it be a postgraduate program. Requirements are same. That is overall six, no less than 5.5. Let it be in one or in two module. Now,
Okay.
after that, if student wants to opt through PTE, in PTE the requirement is 58 overall, and in particular module they should have minimum 54. And
Okay.
and if they want to opt through Duolingo, as most of the colleges are accepting Duolingo at this time, CMTN is one of them. So in Duolingo the requirement is 95. So these are all the academic requirements, or we can say admission requirements for Coast Mountain College.
Yes, ma'am. And currently we are accepting applications for Jan 21, isn't it?
Yes, we are accepting. We are currently accepting applications for January 2021.
And what is the deadline for that intake to make an application?
So as of now, we don't have any deadline, but yes, seats are getting filled. Two of our programs are already full. If I talk about business programs, undergraduate and post-degree business administration diploma for January
Hmm.
2021 intake are closed. But I'll talk about the requirements of business program also, because we will be offering this program again in May intake. So
Okay.
as more of like first come first serve. So
Hmm.
students, there are many programs still left, and they can apply for those programs.
Okay. Good. So now, ma'am, we will discuss about the programs which Coast Mountain College runs one by
Sure,
one,
sure.
or please.
So for January, I'll talk about January intake, that what all programs are offered in January 2021. So first, I would like to talk about arts background. For arts
Hmm.
background, we offer two programs. That is, first is Associate of Arts degree in General Studies, which would be for 2 years for in Coast Mountain College. And if student wants to complete their degree, they can complete their degree into universities that we have tie up with. Now, CMTN is having tie-up with a lot of universities, not just in British Columbia province, even outside British Columbia province, even outside Canada country. So basically, student can start with Coast Mountain College and finish anywhere into universities that we have tie up with. And just to name the few of the universities are UNBC, University
Hmm.
of British Columbia, Royal Roads University, and many more. These are just to give you an idea that what all universities that we have tie up with. Now about
Okay.
Associate of Arts degree General Studies, there is no extra requirement, just all the general requirements that I discussed just 2 minutes prior, that academics 50% overall, and in core subjects, IELTS 6 no less than 5.5, let it be in one or in two modules. That's it. No additional mathematics, no additional subject, nothing. And the other program that we offer for arts background is Criminology Diploma. Now, Criminology Diploma is an again undergraduate diploma for 2 years. In this, also no extra eligibility, just general requirements about academics and English test requirement. That's it. And after
Okay.
that, for business background, we offer undergraduate, postgraduate business administration diploma, which are now full, which are now closed for January 2021. But let me tell you about all the requirements for business programs, because this program will be again available for May intake. So for undergraduate and post-degree business administration diploma, for both of these programs, mathematics subject is mandatory. Students should have studied mathematics. If not mathematics, they should have at least studied statistics or calculus as in subject. Students from BCom background, BBA background have these subjects, that is statistics or calculus. Then they can apply directly for, let's say, business administration diploma. But let's assume there's a student who haven't studied mathematics, statistics, nor calculus, but still
Hmm.
want to apply for undergraduate or post-degree business administration diploma. So we have option for those students too, and that option is pre-business program, which is available for January 2021 intake still. So now, pre-business program, if I talk about, this program is an upgrading program to complete the mathematics requirement. And if I talk about the duration of this program, so this program's duration is 1 semester. It's approximately 4 months. Let's assume student is opting for this program for January intake. So in January, they'll be completing their pre-business program, mathematics requirement. And from May, the undergraduate or post-degree business administration would be starting.
Okay.
So I told
Ma'am,
you
what
that
will be the
pre
additional?
yes,
Yeah, yeah. What will be
yes,
the
yes. Please
additional
continue.
cost? What will be the additional cost to undertake this maths addition as a program?
So if I talk about general admission fees, tuition fees of Coast Mountain College, it comes around 7,000 Canadian dollar for semester, 14,000 for an year. But for pre-business program, the tuition fees would be 5,800 approximately.
5,800. Okay.
Yes, for
Because
an
many of
semester,
the
because it would be, yes.
yes, yes, many of the cases we come across the daily routine. As far as the commerce background is concerned, all the students have accountancy as their subject. They may or may not have statistics or the calculus as a subject, but they have accountancy as a subject. So what would be the total scenario in case of accountancy of a student if he has that subject?
That's a good question. Yes, in this, a student have to opt for pre-business program because there is for this program we need three subjects, any of the three subjects that can be mathematics, statistics, or calculus. If they haven't studied any of these three subjects, they can opt for pre-business program to complete their mathematics requirements.
Okay. So what
And
will be the
also
other alternative? If a student
other
doesn't,
altern
please, ma'am.
other alternative as in if student doesn't want to opt for pre-business program or business
Pre-business.
administration, right? So what other program is available for them?
Yes.
So yes, then student can opt for associate of arts degree or criminology diploma because there is no mathematics requirement. But if they want to opt for business administration itself, then they have to opt for pre-business program.
Okay. Right.
And I told you that pre-business program is for those students who haven't studied mathematics. But let me add one more point. If there is a student who haven't studied, if there's a student in IELTS who have scored overall 6 band, no band less than 5 in one module. If a student is having overall 6 bands and 5 bands in one module, then also that student can opt for pre-business program to complete their English requirement. So students who haven't studied mathematics can opt for pre-business, and students in
Okay.
IELTS who have scored overall 6, no band less than 5 in one module, that student can also opt for pre-business to complete their English requirements.
Okay. Good.
So these are all the programs that we for business and arts background. Now lastly, about science background, we offer two types of associate of science degree. Again, these associate degrees are university credit programs. Student can start with CMTN and complete anywhere into universities that we have tie up with. Now, first type of associate of science degree is general studies. In this, medical and non-medical, both of the student can opt for this program. Let it be student from physics, chemistry, mathematics background or physics, chemistry, biology background. Both of the students can opt for this program. After that, another type of associate of science degree that we offer is environmental geoscience specialization. Again, environmental geoscience specialization is for 2 years. And in this, along with all the general requirements, students from biology background can opt for this program. The mandatory subject for environmental geoscience specialization is biology subject. That student should have studied biology. After that, we offer applied coastal ecology diploma. Applied coastal ecology diploma is an undergraduate diploma. In this, also biology subject is mandatory. After all the programs, we at last we offer applied coastal ecology post degree diploma. Now, undergraduate applied coastal ecology is for 2 years, and post degree applied coastal ecology is for 1 year. And in this, that background of student can apply who should have studied at least one subject of environmental studies in their degree. Any subject related to environmental studies, that can be botany, zoology, they can apply for this program, that is applied coastal ecology post degree diploma. So these are all the programs that we are offering for January 2021.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, as you said that applied coastal ecology program is there, what is the exact you can say the curriculum of that program, and what are the career prospects for a student after completing that program with CMTN? If you can
So
elaborate, please.
yes, sure. So applied coastal ecology is one of a program which is conducted in Prince Rupert campus. And if you will
Okay.
Google Prince Rupert, you'll come to know that it's surrounded by coastal area and it's in very busy, and most of imports and exports take place over there. So if I talk about their career, they'll be getting in first hand experience in applied coastal ecology first of all. And CMTN believes more into practical learning. So they'll be getting more of practical knowledge, let's say 60% of practical knowledge, 40% of theoretical knowledge. We believe open space, open your mind. And if I talk about that, for which background they can opt for, which career path they can opt for, so there are many, but just to name the few are coastal resource management, ecosystem restoration, environmental monitoring, and many more.
Okay. As you said, ma'am, there is a pathway program from Coast Mountain to different universities. So, what will be the total duration? If a student opt for any pathway program, what will be the total duration he will be studying with CMTN, and after that he is transferred to the university? What will be the total duration of that?
So it would be 2 years in Coast Mountain College and 2 years into university. So if student wants to complete their degree, they can transfer all their credits into university and complete their 4-year bachelor degree.
Okay. Then he will be awarded a university from the university itself.
Sorry?
He will be awarded a degree from the university itself.
Yes, yes,
So he will be having a degree from the university of 4 years bachelor. You mean to say that?
yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, after completing all the studies from CMTN, does CMTN provide any type of job assistance or the placement services for its students?
So yes, we do help students if they are not able to find jobs, or else if they are having any difficulty. So we are there to guide them. We do help them.
So will we be charging extra for that service?
No, because it's nothing like there's a placement of 90% placement assurance or 80%. We will just be
Ah,
guiding them, because I told you that this Coach Mountain believes more into practical learning. So they have more of
yeah.
field schools, they meet to many companies, and they have exposure where they can perform. So most of the students easily get jobs, and if at all they find any difficulty, we are there to guide them.
Okay. Ma'am, what is the lead time of having an offer after applying with complete documents with CMTN?
So there's an application fee for Coast Mountain College, that is 100 Canadian dollars, and
Yeah,
for turnaround time for offer letter it takes 8 to 10 working days.
18 working days.
Yes, 8 to 10 working
Oh,
days.
that's great. That's great, ma'am. Okay. So as you told, mathematics, statistics, or calculus is a mandatory subject, but we do have some pre-business program where this can be avoided or ignored.
Yes, because in Coast Mountain College, as I have discussed about all the programs and eligibility, mathematics is just required for business background. Even at that time, if student haven't studied mathematics, we have option for them, that is pre-business, so that they can complete their mathematics requirements. So basically, student can any background can opt for arts background or business background or for science background. So we have that relevant programs.
Okay. Now, do we have any on-campus accommodation services for the students?
Yes, we do have on-campus residence in Terrace and in Smithers campus. Student can get on-campus residence in 500 Canadian dollars per month. And if student doesn't want to stay on campus, if they want to go for apartment sharing or homestay, so we are there to help them in that too.
Okay, right. So as of now, all the learning will be online, I suppose, due to some
Yes,
these COVID conditions.
yes, but we are providing support letter, but we do need a quarantine plan and everything. Prior to providing support letter, we need a perfect quarantine plan for 14 days.
Okay, the cost will be borne by the student itself for the quarantine plan
Yes,
if he wishes to come to Canada.
yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice, ma'am. It was nice talking to you. So if you want to share some more features of
Yes,
a particular program or your college, so that would be more beneficial to our students.
sure. I would like to share about what all features or what all support that they'll be getting if they are applying for Coast Mountain College. So first of all, CMTN is in public institution. All the programs that we offer are eligible for post-study work permit. And class sizes are not more than 15 to 20 students, so that they can get more one-on-one interaction. Most of our classes are 3 days a week, so that
Hmm.
student can get enough time, they have enough time for look for a job or look for an apartment, or go for a part-time job, and everything. Now, about part-time jobs, also part-time jobs are easily available in Terrace, Prince Rupert, and Smithers. They can get, let's say, minimum wage rate that they'll be getting is 13.80 Canadian dollars per hour. And in Terrace, we have few Indians who have their departmental stores, local stores where students easily get
Hmm.
jobs. So part-time jobs are not an issue in this region. And about cost of living, also cost of living comes around 25,900 Canadian dollars for an year, including their tuition fees, meals. or residence, textbook and supplies, everything. So
Okay.
they'll be getting in good exposure. Their cost of living would be low, and they'll be getting good amount of part-time jobs, and after completing the program jobs. So this would be a good opportunity for students to apply for Coast Mountain College, where they can get more of, if they need any learning assistance, if they are lacking in any subject, they need learning assistance, or else they need, let's say, educational counseling. We are there to provide them. And once
Okay.
they get their
Hmm.
visa, we also conduct pre-departure session. So pre-departure session is just a video call of 40-45 minutes, because we also know that they are going to a different country and they'll be meeting
Yes,
different
yes,
people.
yes, yes.
So we want them to be more prepared, that get to know more about the locality where they'll be moving, even things like according to weather, what they have to pack, and how they will be reaching, how they can apply for free bicycles over the library card. Everything is
Okay.
explained in detail, so that they're practically ready to go. So I would like to share this information with all of the viewers who all are watching us right now, that if you have any queries or any question regarding Coast Mountain College, do drop your comments right now, so that we can answer them at the same time. Or else you're watching this video a little bit later and you want to get your profile assessed, send all your educational documents to Study Next Global, so that they are authorized partners, and so that they can guide you properly, that for which program you can opt for, and for which background you are more suitable.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, sure. Another question, ma'am. As you said that the college runs its classes on 3 working days in a week. So, guys, it was ma'am Disha Ahuja from CMTN College sharing all the information about its college and the programs, and I hope it is more beneficial to you.
I
So,
I apologize. Actually, I lost my connection for
okay,
30
okay, okay,
seconds
okay.
last. So please, would you mind repeating the question?
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am. As you said that the college is running its classes on 3 working days in a week. So, will that be on the alternative days or from Monday to Wednesday?
So we do have options for students, but as of now, I it would be continuous 3 days.
Continuous 3 days.
But yes, but
Okay,
students do have options.
they do have options. Right, right, ma'am. So, okay, guys, it was Ajay from Study Next and Disha ma'am from CMTN College describing all the features, all the programs, all the eligibility conditions, and all the IELTS requirements with you guys. If you have some more questions coming up your mind, you keep posting your questions. We will be very happy to answer all these questions. So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us for this session. And this is Ajay and ma'am Disha Huja signing off as of now. But we promise to come back with new college, with new programs, with new province, but the country will be the same as Canada. Until then,
Thank you so
goodbye.
much.
Until then, goodbye and take care, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being with us.